Mind games. Financial news for long-term investors. We start by defining the purpose of today's financial media. Why are they in business? It's to make money. And in order to make money, they need your eyeballs. They often employ sensationalism and illicit emotions to get you to tune in. What would it look like if the media actually had the best interest of long-term investors? What would the headlines and news stories say? Perhaps that today's events won't matter, or that there is no reason to even tune in other than to create anxiety. Maybe it would help us understand the difference between investors and speculators. How about an investment newsletter that focused on long-term investors? What would they say? They might remind us not to worry about the markets and instead focus our energies on more important things. Maybe they would share stories of what happens to investors who allow market watching to impact their relationships. Since we don't have any financial media for long-term investors, all we can do is speculate as to what they might say. It's important to acknowledge that the financial media today is not conducive to long-term investors. And while it's always good to be informed, we need to ask if that information helps us achieve our goals and objectives. For this reason, it's best to ensure your plan, not the financial media, is your primary guide.